How's it going, everyone? In this video, I have some live futures trading for you all. But before we get started, as always, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, click that bell icon so you do not miss on any upcoming videos. So first off, I want to show you the why behind the trade, okay? Then we'll move on to the actual live trading video, kind of walk you through my trade, my thought process. It's going to be just like raw thoughts as we go through the trade. Also, I want to say I opened this account yesterday for you all. It's a brand new futures trading account. I funded it with $10,000. So if you want to track it, you want to trade along with me, you can. I'm also going to be recording my options trades, but it's hard to switch back and forth when recording. Honestly, recording makes trading a little more difficult because you're worried about your execution. You don't want to look sloppy, right? But anyways, and one more thing, go subscribe to my website, join the email list, grizzlytrades.com. Got a free newsletter coming for you all. All you gotta do is put your email in. You're signed up. Get a free newsletter. It's gonna be insane value for free. Now let's talk about the reasoning behind this trade. So I told everyone, I said I want to see a break. I trade ES based off SPY levels and SPX levels regularly. Keep in mind. So I want to see a break above this resistance. It's an hourly resistance and it's pre-market high on SPY. I was watching for a break above that, and I had one of my trading view indicators give me a buy signal here, and once we broke above here. So I had three buy signals on the indicator to break out above a key level. Very nice setup, but keep in mind when I take breakout trades, no matter how good the setup, I scalp. Okay, breakout trades can get away from you quickly. If you've been trading for a while, I'm sure you're well aware of this. So now let's look at the actual trade. So you can see I didn't take it on the initial break. I waited on it to pull back, come back up, retest that area. I went long two, right? I bought two, started my long position. My thought process was 4 is going to be my max size on this trade. I stuck to my plan exactly. I was watching that on SPY on my Thinkorswim. This is the new trading account I'd opened. I like it so far. Like I said, I put $10,000 in here, trade with you all. And honestly, the margin requirements are super low. I can trade, 10 long or 10 short with what I have in there, even more than that. But I wouldn't recommend that because it could hit your margin requirements. You don't want to do that. I wouldn't trade no more than 4 personally. But I added 2 more here on this pullback. I like to do that. If we have a nice pullback down, test at 9 EMA again, I'll add more to my position, still keeping the same stop loss. This is super simple trading, right? But, it's hard to do something consistently every day, no matter how simple it is, without, letting your emotions control you, going on tilt. Not to say that I don't go on tilt occasionally. I still do sometimes. So I do not add any more. It's kind of a boring trade, so I'm just going to fast forward this towards the end, okay? Also, before I fast forward this, remember, I like to scalp, so I'm looking for 4 5 point move off of this type of breakout trade. Sometimes I get less. Sometimes it's a 3 point move. Just depends where different things. It depends where the orders are sitting. If one of my indicators are giving me a sell signal, whatever's telling me to get out. As you can see here, we're roughly, like 15 minutes or so in. Finally, it comes up. I have a sell order sitting at that 4 or 5 for $1,150 profit. I ended my day right at 2,000 in profits. Unfortunately, I didn't record the other trades before I was recording this morning. Should be hitting my sell order anytime here. There we go, filled. Very nice trade. Now, I wanted to talk a little bit about comparing ourselves to other people, right? We're all at a different point in our trading career. It took me a long time to get where I had $1,000 days. So if you're making $50 to $100 a day as a new trader, you're crushing it. Don't let no one tell you differently, okay? If you can control your emotions or following your plan, you're doing amazing. Do not let the hype on social media mess with your mindset. Do not compare yourself to others. There's people out there, I'm sure you know them, they make 3 4 times as much as I do. If I have a $5,000 day, that's considered a really good day for me. I'm happy with $1,000 days still. 1,000 to 2,000 would be a solid day for me. I did make some money on options today as well. I took a trade with Jay Dunn with puts, a nice scalp. I ended my day on there right at $1,000, right at 2,000 on here, which is really nice. A really good day for me. I'm very happy. Now, if you have any questions or if you need help with anything at all, reach out to me. Again, go right now. First, hit that thumbs up button on this video. Second, go join my email list so you can get that free newsletter. It's going to be so much value. I think you all are really going to like it. That's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.